Mocha. Mocha. He's not happy. Sugar! Baby! What? Percy! 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 Percy, baby! Percy was at the vet. Oops. I dropped my earbud. Percy. Sorry guys. Really weird commercial. Percy, you gonna tell them how bad you were? Yeah, he's not happy. Let's go! Fluffy, fluffy! Fluffy, fluffy! Percy! Percy, baby, come here. Come here. What are you doing? You can't. Don't eat a Band-Aid. Percy, come here, baby. Come here. Yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing? What? Do not chew. He can't walk right. Ow. Ew. What? Oh. Watch. If you tilt his leg off guard, he'll fall. Sugar. Look at his, ew, oh, it's so bad. I'm sorry for creeping you guys out, but he was at the vet's for a week. Yeah, we just going back Monday. Why are my earbuds all things? Sorry. Sugar. Why do you keep following me? Sugar. What, what are you doing?
And you and me. It had to be the only one thing you do. And you for me. Now there's a rewards program.
He's not happy, and neither is he. He's looking at me trying to open gum with one hand. It's impossible.
When it comes to rewards, there's plenty together.
I did it.
Let's keep on moving. Chris is eager to moose our father's garage, and this is perfect timing because we
The face.
What do you think of all these? You got these. This is a thermometer.
He does not like.
35.
Percy!
75. Oh, sure. Alright, I gotta ask about these.
Yes. If you do not know what TV show that is, it's called American Pickers, and I probably just blinded you. Rascal. Come here, Mocha.